how to buy TST token on PancakeSwap version 3. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the code below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check the amount description. So as you can see, this token is available on CoinEX. To be able to buy this token on PancakeSwap version 3, what you need to do, just click on markets here. As you can see, you will be able to see the PancakeSwap version 3. Click on their pair, as you can see, and after you click on it, this page will be up here. Now click on trade on PancakeSwap version 3. So after that, what you need to do, just wait a few seconds, and as you can see, first of all, connect your wallet. Select the wallet that you want to connect, for example MetaMask. So after you select the MetaMask, connect it to that PancakeSwap page. So after you connect your wallet to PancakeSwap version 3, what you need to do, so after that, select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT or any token that you want to buy with, but make sure that you have enough USDT to that wallet you connected to PancakeSwap. So after that, type here how much you want to buy. So here we'll be able to see, as you can see, how much you receive that token. So after that, you can now click on swap and you will be able to buy this token on PancakeSwap version 3. So this is how to buy TST token on PancakeSwap version 3. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.